Hi, this is Katie from Katie Goes Platinum and my trusty companion Apollo. I had recorded an entire great video for you about City Beauty's HydroMask, and somehow the whole first part of it was out of focus. So this is just a little intro to tell you about the HydroMask. It is a line reducing, fine line reducing bio-cellulose mask made by City Beauty that is a wonderful company that's based in Los Angeles. Everything that they make is made in the USA, and they try to use natural ingredients and organic ingredients as much as possible. Um, the HydroMask is the best facial mask I've ever used. I have very dry skin, and those little paper masks I get from the drugstore and Ulta and stuff like that, I never had great luck with them. The HydroMask is definitely more expensive, but it is worth it. It comes in a pack of, I think, 5 masks, and you can use it once a week if you like. I actually use it maybe once a month because the benefits last for a while. You'll see in the video that I'm about to post that it is a thick sheet mask, and it is covered in serum that has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is one of those miracle acids for all of us who are getting older and we're getting fine lines and wrinkles. It really moisturizes your skin, it hydrates it. So the mask has that, it has many other great ingredients that I'll mention in the show notes. I'm horrible at remembering these things, but it's full of great ingredients. You put it on your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and after it's done, you take off the mask. There's a lot of serum still left. You rub it into your skin and your neck, and your skin will feel very hydrated. I find the benefits last me almost a week, but you might find it is more or less depending on your skin. So anyway, sorry for the quick intro, and next time I'll learn to focus my camera better. Anyway, please watch the video. If you have any questions, let me know, and check the show notes for more information on the HydroMask. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, so here is the mask. It is dripping wet. It is thick and cold. So you're going to get a little cold when you do this, which is a nice feeling on your skin. Okay, so it looks like an ancient statue from the Cycladic Islands or something. Can you tell I got my degree in art history? So I'm going to have to look over here so I can make sure, since I don't have a mirror. If only my younger son was awake right now, because I always like to scare him when I'm wearing these masks. Luckily he thinks it's funny after a few minutes. So you just fit it. Oh my god, this is so cold. You just fit it, smooth it down. It's very glamorous. I should wear this out in public and be like that old avant-garde movie my husband likes, The Man Without a Face. I'll be the lady with half gray hair and no face. It doesn't go on like, it's not going to be perfect, but there you go. I will see you in 15 to 20 minutes. There's not a whole lot you can do when these are on. I usually lie down and read a book. So, see you in 15 minutes, okay? Okay, it has been 15 minutes. Unfortunately, my younger son never woke up, so I could not scare him. Anyway, so after 15 minutes, you take it off. Okay. And when you take it off, you will have a lot of that serum left over, which is great. So I always smooth it in. I don't think I usually leave it. I kind of pat my face, but it feels good. If you do this at night, that might be best. You can just leave all this extra on your skin while you sleep. But it's only 8 a.m. here, so I'm going to pat it dry a little. Anyway, that's it. It's the best hydrating mask I've ever used. Highly recommend. They recommend to use it once a week. Personally, that's not totally in my budget, so I use mine probably once a month or so, whenever I feel like my skin really needs a boost. And I'm going to take my hair down because I don't like wearing it up. Anyway, that's it. Hope you give it a try. I'll have a link to it in my notes, and don't forget to use the code KatieGoesPlatinum to get 10% off. While you're at the City Beauty website, also make sure to check out my favorite product of theirs, or one of my favorites, which is the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. I use it on my neck every day. Some people use it on their face, but I prefer to just use it on my neck. It's a thick cream, smells great, and it reduces the sagginess and the wrinkles that us older ladies get on our neck. I'm sure men might want to use it too. My husband has a beard, so I can't see his neck. Anyway, that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and please click subscribe to get my latest videos. I try to post once a week. It depends on what else is going on in life. So anyway, please click the subscribe button, hit the little bell to get a notification whenever I post a new video, and thanks for stopping by.